Hey, this is Joe Graves, the founder of I Hate Buying Insurance, and this is one of our famous low budget but no pressure videos. And today on the whiteboard, I'm going to go over terms and definitions that you need to know about health insurance. And so I'm going to pop in here like this every once in a while, but let me draw on the board. Most of these terms you've heard of probably as you've gone along, whether you've had group coverage, individual coverage, but I want to show you how these terms go together and build the core of a health insurance plan. So I'm going to start up here at $0. And just do this. And I don't know. Most plans are unlimited. There's no limit on most health insurance plans. But so whatever the end dollar amount is. But the number or the terms that we've heard in the past are things like deductible. I'm just going to abbreviate that. Coinsurance. And out-of-pocket maximum. Out-of-pocket maximum. There we go. Sorry. Deductible. This is how I've been explaining it to people for years. So when you break your arm, have cancer, whatever it might be, you start off at $0 for the year. And what happens is the money starts adding up until you hit your deductible. And how I explain that is that up to the deductible, that's all you. You're responsible for 100% of the deductible. Then we get into coinsurance. Simply coinsurance, you've seen numbers like 80-20, 50-50. Some companies have 90-10 on their group plans, whatever that means. So what that means is that after you've hit the deductible, that very first dollar and every dollar after that, it says how much do you pay, how much do they pay. So if you have an 80-20 plan, what that means is that the insurance company now pays 80 cents, you pay 20 cents. Pretty simple. If it's 50-50, it's 50-50. If it's 90-10, they pay 90 cents, you pay 10 cents. And that goes on and on and on. Not forever, but until you hit an out-of-pocket maximum. Eventually, the bleeding stops. And your health plan is going to say something, you know, like Obamacare plans in the past have been $6,350, $7,300, whatever it might be. If you got a good group plan, it might be as low as $2,000. So what that means is, let's say your deductible was $1,000. Then you got to add in the coinsurance until it equals your maximum out of pocket. So even if it's a really, really bad cancer or whatever, 6350, etc. So there's you, then you share or co-insurance, and eventually it becomes 100% them. And that doesn't matter if it was a broken leg and it was $85,000 or cancer and it was $459,731. So simply, deductible is all you share, eventually it becomes all them, and that's the core of your health insurance benefits plan. This is Joe Graves with another low budget but no pressure video. Hopefully that made sense.